Hello and welcome. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you exactly how we leverage AI to set leads into your calendar on Autopilot. So, if you're like most businesses, you're probably dealing with one of three issues. 1. Leads are coming in, but then they're going ghost. 2. You're out there working all day and you either don't have time to follow up with those leads, or when you do follow up with them, your delivery is poor. And 3, even when you do follow up with those leads, they don't even answer the phone. And so that's when we realized that the issue wasn't getting leads. It was responding to those leads fast enough in order to close them. And that's where AI comes in. Now, watch closely because I'm about to dive deep into the exact lead flow process. Alright, let's dive into the lead flow breakdown. So, it starts right here where we design your ads and we create your lead funnel. This is where the leads will opt in after reviewing your ad. We fully monitor and manage all of these from the ground up. Then once these are all set, we launch your ads to Instagram and Facebook, and a lead will click the ad and submit the form for an estimate on your funnel. Then a confirmation email will be sent. Now here's where it gets interesting. Your lead will then receive a call from Lead Snatch, which is our personalized AI caller that is tailored to your business. Lead Snatch will then gather all of the necessary information from that lead and it will book them into your calendar. Now what's so powerful about this is that this AI caller doesn't exactly sound like an AI caller. It sounds like a real human that your customers will not even be able to tell it's AI. This is also extremely powerful because it happens like that. Instantly, which is so crucial when following up with leads, because if you're waiting 30 minutes, an hour, even a day to follow up with these leads, they've already contacted another business and they're already waiting to get another estimate. This is the exact system that let one of our clients go from 6 book jobs a month to 24 without increasing ad spend. So what does this mean for you as a business owner? This means less stress, less money wasted on ad spend, more jobs without working harder, and a peace of mind. Now, imagine this for just 1 second. Imagine you wake up to 3 to 5 extra leads while your competitors are still playing phone tag, chasing leads that in the end will not return. In addition to all this, you don't have to pay someone else like a VA or someone to work at the front desk to follow up with these leads, which is also someone else that you have to manage and pay. So if this seems like something that you can envision in your business, book a free demo call and I'll personally walk you through the entire process and how it would look for your business.